And I show you yesterday. I had a plan connect you at in the morning, but that time I was too busy. I was doing some cultivation here.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I couldn't connect with you that time.
Mm. But we have been connecting last 5 day, 3 day almost. But we were not able to connect each other a video
Yeah,
calling. But today we have connected.
yeah, connected. Yeah.
I think you don't have time. Tell me exact time. When are you free?
Okay. And also today also I speak lot of people. I speak more than two people. Two people. I speak more than two people. There was
Mhm.
stranger.
Okay, I'm too
Yeah,
here.
yeah. This is my second third call today.
Okay, okay. How about you? Like last call,
Yeah,
something good.
Nashikol.
More than me, more than me.
Yeah, he was good guy, and also he was also belongs to Delhi. Yeah.
I belong to rural area, village.
Are are you asking about me?
I'm I'm
Okay,
talking
okay,
about myself.
okay.
I'm
You
I'm
belongs.
belong
You
to I belong to rural area in a
okay,
nearby Accra.
okay. It's okay.
Mhm.
Yeah,
I can
I am
understand
also
that.
I am
Mm,
also belongs to village, but it is not like remote village.
okay,
Yeah,
normal.
yeah,
Something
normal village.
like a city type of kind of city.
Not like city, and also here we have lot of educational things here, like colleges, schools, lot of things here.
Do good.
Yeah.
I think so many convenience here.
Okay.
So I will ask questions, many questions, and as well as how many friends do you have?
How many?
How many friends do you have?
Yeah, I have lot of
Girl,
friends.
boy.
Yeah, I have lot of friends. I have lot of friends, and also I am very passionate in making lot of friends. If I
Mm,
go anywhere, I try to make lot of friends there.
you are like me, something. I am fond
Yeah,
of making lots of friends. I need a conversation. I want to understand feeling. I want to share my feelings another boy. My
yeah,
like my my phoners, my new colleague.
yeah,
So good. If you not meeting anyone, how will you express your knowledge? How much do you have knowledge? How will you care? How will you know? How much do you have knowledge? Not first of all, say your feelings, express yourself. Another in public. How it's it's
yeah,
easy.
yeah. We
But
need
some
our
of
friends.
people fear of and hesitation doesn't let you go anywhere.
Yeah,
Hesitation and
yeah,
take out hesitation. If you so many people ask a question, case of how will I take out my hesitation? Don't take out. First of all, sit at home. Your hesitation will take out automatic. Actually,
yeah,
you don't know how to take out. You're asking me. You can copy me. I'm taking out my hesitation day by day, as well as my new skills. I'm taking about new skills in my mind, in my heart. But you are sitting at home only asking, like a hypocrisy. You are doing at home hypocrisy. I'm doing hard working. I'm doing this. I'm doing. If you have no any good communication, you can't express your knowledge. You can't succeed in life. I know you have a dream. I have lots of knowledge. I will succeed. No, it's another body not know. You know
yeah,
everything yourself, but you don't express yourself. Nobody know how much do you have knowledge. So go and look around, look anybody stranger and talk to with them.
yeah,
Somebody know you, somebody will get knowledge for you, you will provide getting knowledge. That is not. So my consider about this, first of all, express yourself, talk to yourself, then talk to another. I'm teacher with this, I'm not teacher with this, and you not about this, I'm not this is get into this. I will get over on my success. I will get over this. I will take out my poverty. It's not. You are go look new peoples, girls, boys, then you will succeed. You and every successful people's had a addiction. Talk to with anyone, but you are not. Only want to succeed. I will succeed. No, God made the man. Man made the world.
Yeah, some people, they won't like to speak with another people. Yeah,
Mhm.
and also they can't get more succeed in their life. We need our friends support, we need our family support if you
So
want to do
yeah.
everything, if
So
you want to do anything here. And also some people, they
mhm.
are very afraid about making mistake. Yeah,
Mhm.
they can't
That
get
good.
anything.
It's mm, it's nice. Nice answer as well. And okay, do you listen motivation videos on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah, I listen a lot of videos, especially motivation videos for improve my English.
Motivation videos. Which motivation do you like?
Actually, that is not like our normal motivation. That is, if I can't watch a video, it will exist more time. I am watching small videos, like 5 or 10 minutes.
Shorts video. Short.
Short video, yeah.
Okay. My favorite YouTuber,
Okay.
motivation YouTuber in English, about Jess Shetty, British. He's from Karnataka that time, but he's living in British nowadays. Jess
Okay.
Shetty, motivational. I will send you link, then you check out. He's
Okay.
so
Okay. Yeah.
fantastic and like a perfect English.
Okay.
Uh, as well as my second, no, do you know what Bill Power Star?
Now, I heard about him.
Bill Power Star, as well as he's good, and as well Hindi motivation, Man Ki Awaaz.
Okay. I do not know about that because
I will
I
send
can
you
speak
if
little
you
bit of
know
Hindi.
Hindi something consistently, you know Hindi perfectly, then you understanding. Too good
Okay.
every time. Stay motivate. Never demotivate yourself.
Okay. Yeah, and
Keep
also I watched a lot of. Do you know about Jack Ma?
Jack Ma. Oh, Alibaba. I know.
Yeah, Alibaba. He's a
Yeah.
founder of Alibaba. I
Hmm.
watched there a lot of inspirational videos about his
Yes.
lifestyle. It encouraged me a lot of.
Alibaba. Hmm. Wow. I heard about this Alibaba. He had a felt and many interview, but still he never given up
Yeah,
his life.
every company used to rejected him.
Rejected him because of some mistakes. Some
Yeah,
I don't know about it.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, explain something about Alibaba. I think something for pipelines.
Actually, if I speak about Alibaba,
Where
recently
from Alibaba? Where from Chinese?
yeah, I belongs to China.
China.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, let it be. We will ask. Uh, we will discuss another days, another time. Okay, about
Okay,
this.
okay.
We should
Yeah.
know about this. We can say important talk about. I'm too. I don't know, but I will. I will try to. I will learn topics about democracy, economics. About this kind of. But we should follow democracy. Is this kind of. But I don't know. I will learn this about his. It's very most important is.
Okay. May I know anything from you?
Mm,
The thing is, you subscribed Camly.
yeah, yeah.
How
I
m-
have.
how many money we need if you want to subscribe for 1 month?
Per month, first of all, I had got one plan,
Okay,
6,000 rupees.
it is more expensive.
Yeah, more expensive, but we never procrastinate getting your knowledge, new knowledge, getting
Yeah,
spend invest money is exact place, not
yeah.
wrong place.
I
Okay.
know that, if you get any people, if we get any native people for speaking together, it will help us more. We can get we can easily catch their accent.
Yeah, accent as well as fluency.
Yeah,
We can grow our fluency. We can enhance your English by Cambly tutors. They are always superb, yes, tutors. I know my favorite two tutor, Marakina and one. I tell you, I'm forgetting this name. Mm,
okay.
Maya. I have seen new video. I have uploaded a new video. But nowadays, my can be charged expired, so I will get recharged next month. It's something
Okay.
pocket money, pocket money.
So
Using,
yeah, that's why I am watching lot of family videos on YouTube.
yeah. Mm-hmm. Pocket money is a at okay. It's not a issue. It's not a big deal. I will I will try it. My father will provide me money, then I will get recharged.
Yeah.
As you know, my
And also
father.
after this conversation, I will send you a application link. You can make a call on that application. We do not need any money.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
send me.
But
I'll try it.
y-
But I don't
okay.
believe unnecessary application. Really, I don't
But
believe. But you will.
yeah, we can't get in any native people on that application. But we can get a lot of foreign people like Philippines, Africans, Egyptian.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try.
Okay. I
What
will
is
send
name
you
of application?
native speaker application.
Native speaker. Okay, send me. Then I will come under this. How is the application? Then I will. I think we have to make friend then talk to.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see. I see. I
And
think you are conversation with them.
do you know about Hello application?
Hello,
Yeah.
hello.
H
Can
H
you?
E A L.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not discovering any applications, only normal people.
Okay.
I'm working
Yeah.
on my goal, target like Arjun.
But if you use that application, you can improve more in your English.
Oi, too
Yeah.
good. I will try. Send me, please. Then
Okay.
I'll try to. I will talk to anyone. But I'm fond of only Cambly tutor. It's spend money, but something
Yeah.
good. We can
Yeah.
we can solve your problems. Their teacher, they will understand. They will teach us and with step by step.
Yeah. If we have any mentor for learning our English, we can improve easily.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But it,
Okay,
but it,
today,
okay.
go on, go on.
But it will take more time getting fluency in English.
By the way, I have my subscriber keep talking to me.
Okay.
Every day, a morning time start at 7 o'clock and I stop 12 o'clock. Then I I take shower, then start. I can know the friends. I talk to various peoples,
Okay.
mm, but
Yeah.
they are not native. They are from the Indian. They want to speak English. They want to fluent the English speaking. But I speak English. But they want to speak English with British language as well. But I'm trying to hold it. Then next time I will speak English. We'll test with you.
Yeah.
Totally. And I will try to working on my language, everything. You know, content is king. If your content is skill is good, everything is good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, today I have a 20-30 minute half an hour completed. So we'll converse another day
Okay. Okay. It has
tomorrow.
been, yeah, it has been
Okay.
30 minutes.
It's been 30 minutes as well
Yeah.
as it was nice conversation with me. Thanks for having me here and as well as
Okay.
thank you. Bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Now for bye. Okay.
Bye.